Becoming a Python programmer from scratch requires a combination of learning the basics of the language and practice in using it to solve problems. Here are a few highly recommended books that can help you get started. Python Crash Course by Eric Mathis. This book is designed for beginners with little or no programming experience. It covers the basics of Python programming and also touches on more advanced topics such as data visualization, user input, and working with files. Think Python by Alan B. Downey. This book is a great introduction to the Python programming language. It covers the basics of programming concepts like data types, control structures, functions, and more. How to Think Like a Computer Scientist by Alan B. Downey, Jeff Elner, and Chris Myers. This book is an introduction to the Python programming language and the concepts of computer science. It uses the Python language to teach these concepts. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by L. Swigart. This book is geared towards people with little or no programming experience. It uses Python to automate tasks such as data entry, web scraping, and working with Excel spreadsheets. Introduction to the Theory of Computation by Michael Sipser. This book is not specifically about Python, but it is a comprehensive introduction to the theory of computation. It covers formal languages, automata, and complexity theory.